Beneath your feet lies an ancient architect. Silent, invisible, and wildly alive. Stretching like a living lacework through the soil. In just 1 teaspoon of healthy forest dirt, there can be over 8 miles of mycelial threads. This is Mycelium, the hidden, web-like root system of fungi. It's not a plant, not an animal, but something entirely its own. It decomposes the dead, recycles nutrients, heals ecosystems, and even helps trees talk to one another. And now, as humanity faces mounting challenges, from feeding billions, to surviving climate change, to dreaming of life on Mars, some of the most promising answers may lie in this overlooked, underground kingdom. We've entered the Mycelium frontier, where fungi aren't just part of nature's cleanup crew, but the architects of a radically sustainable and spacefaring future. Now, let's leave Earth behind. How do you build a house? On the Moon or Mars? Every kilogram of steel or concrete, launched into space, costs a small fortune. But what if we could grow our shelters, instead of hauling them? NASA's Mycotecture off-planet project is exploring exactly that, using fungal spores to grow habitable structures on other worlds. Here's how it works. Astronauts would bring a lightweight payload, containing dormant fungal spores, and a flexible, inflatable scaffold. Once on the Moon or Mars, you introduce water, possibly from local ice, and cyanobacteria. These photosynthetic microbes produce sugars that feed the mycelium. From there, the fungus comes alive, colonizing the structure, weaving its way into the scaffold, and solidifying into a durable, lightweight, fire-resistant shell. Once grown, the structure is deactivated, effectively killed, to prevent further spread and ensure stability. This material isn't just cheap and sustainable. It's smart. Mycelium structures are self-assembling, biodegradable, and naturally insulating. They could even heal minor cracks over time. And the benefits don't stop there. Some fungi, like Cladosporium sphaerospermum, produce melanin, which may help absorb and block cosmic radiation. These dark fungi, found thriving near Chernobyl and on board the ISS, could become a biological shield for deep space habitats. Even here on Earth, startups like MycoWorks and Ecovative are already building furniture, packaging, and bricks from mycelium. If it works in Brooklyn basements, why not on the Red Planet? This isn't sci-fi anymore. It's real research, growing today. Now let's leap into speculation, where science meets imagination. In Star Trek Discovery, the Spore drive allows a ship to jump across space instantly by riding a cosmic mycelial network. It sounds wild, but the idea is rooted in something very real. On Earth, mycorrhizal fungi connect tree roots through vast underground webs, transferring water, carbon, and chemical signals. A dying tree can pass nutrients to a seedling. A grove under attack can warn its neighbors. Some scientists call it nature's internet. Others see it as a form of primitive intelligence. So while we can't navigate interstellar space using mushrooms yet, the idea speaks to something powerful. Fungi don't just decompose or feed. They connect. And those connections extend into technology, medicine, and nutrition in ways we're just beginning to grasp. Consider lion's mane, Hericium erinaceus, a shaggy white mushroom being studied for its potential to support nerve growth and cognitive health. Or cordyceps, long used in traditional medicine, now explored for energy-boosting effects. Or fungal enzymes, like those from Aspergillus niger, used to clarify fruit juice and enhance food textures. Or startups like Funguit, creating rich, umami-packed flavorings from mycelium that reduce the need for salt or additives. Fungi are becoming everything: food, flavor, fabric, foam, and form. Leather jackets, compostable furniture, carbon sequestering insulation, even biodegradable coffins. And there's a poetic echo in all this. Ancient Egyptians believed mushrooms were the food of royalty. The Aztecs called them flesh of the gods. Today, science is turning these sacred curiosities into the foundation of a future where biology and technology merge. From your dinner plate to Martian habitats, from microscopic enzymes to interstellar dreams, fungi are no longer the understory. They're becoming the story. They offer a radical shift in how we think about growth, waste, intelligence, and resilience. They ask us to stop burning and start cultivating, to stop extracting and start partnering. The future might not be built with steel and silicon, but woven with mycelium, alive, intelligent, and in tune with the rhythms of nature. So, would you try a mycelium-grown steak? Live in a mushroom house? Power your coffee with a fungus that boosts your brain? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the fungal frontier, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We explore the edges of biology, technology, space, and the future. So if you're curious about what's next, you're in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, so you never miss a step on the path towards tomorrow. Because the future isn't just coming, it's growing, silently, powerfully, beneath our feet, and beyond. Thanks for watching.